Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to check problems in Dynatrace monitoring. So in this dashboard I have added this tile for showing the current status of problems. It is showing one problem of two problems, means it is here is one problem is in open state and two problems are resolved, and these are in 2 hours. If I can if I increase this to 6 hours, this will show more problems in resolved as 7 problems. I can also click on here and go to view details for checking the problems, and also I can go in this problem section. I can add the star to mark this in favorites, and I can open this problem section. That also show me the same window where I can see the current problems. These are in last 6 hours problems. These are resolved problems, and this one is open problem. So I can also click on this drop down to check some details from here. Also I can click on this title, HTTP monitor global outage, to go in deep on this problem. So here it is showing me one impacted synthetic monitor, and I can see some details from here. And error it is showing is SSL certificate expired. Okay, so click on anywhere on this tab to check for more details about this problem. So here it is showing outage because this issue is related to SSL. Okay, I have uh, added monitoring for SSL expiration as well, because SSL expiration, if the SSL of my website is going to expire in 30 days, Dynatrace will show me like this way, or a problem which is related to SSL certificate. So but status code is 200, but it is showing 29 SSL certificate expired. Okay, so this is what this problem is trying to say. I can also pin this error or availability of this monitor to my dashboard by clicking on pin to dashboard. Select that specific dashboard from this drop down and click on pin. Okay, can open this dashboard as well, and in this dashboard I can see here this is the monitor which I have just added 0% availability, because from whenever I have added this application in this Dynatrace, at that time my SSL is near to expire. That's why it is showing the problem. Click on done here, and here I can see the status of my monitor. Also, for another problems, these are resolved problems. Okay, but if you want, you can go in deep to check more details about these problems. Click on this process unavailable. This is IS application pool default app pool, which is application pool on Windows host that I have added in monitoring. So I can click on this tab to get more details. So here it is showing more details about my host. This is the availability of that service. Actually, this service or the application pool needs uh, RAM. That's why needs more RAM to keep in progress or to keep itself in working status. That's why it is sometimes it is going to shut down and it is sometimes in running status. But if you want to check more details of this host, you can click on this name of this host, and this will show me some more details. From here it will show me how much memory is consumed, how much CPU is used, NIC card, disk details, network services, and by selecting specific section, I can get more details on that. I can also select the CPU. It will show me the details about the usage. In this section, I can see the processes on this host. So here it is one event showing process restart, application full. Also, I can get more details about this host from this drop down section. These are the details. And I can again come to problem section, and I can check the another problems like similar way. So make sure you remove this problem from here so that you will get, and you can select the specific time frame in which you have to check for the problems. Go to the problem details, and this is again the same problem that is related to application full. And this way we can check the problems in Dynatrace, and you can add your metrics to your dashboard like similar ways. So that's it in this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to AM channel.